Hi, welcome back. So, did you almost just fall off the chair? So, I feel like we've been talking about all these ridiculously crazy expensive
$645
expensive things lately. So we're gonna go back to our roots, which is cheap and trendy activewear. I have literally like 6 or 7 different brands that I have been loving lately. Very attainable if you're balling on a budget, but if you actually want quality gear, every single one of these brands has been tested, and they're all gonna be linked down below in the description box if you wanna shop them. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, if you're new here, hello, I'm Hope, your legging queen. This is my co-host Leo, and we're your #1 source for all things fit fashion. Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace, the all-in-one solution if you're looking to create a beautiful website. Stay tuned to the end of the video to hear more about that. Let's just dive right in. This first brand is one that I haven't talked about in a hot minute, but they deserve a moment. Not only because they have super cute, pretty affordable stuff, but they always have deals. It's MyProtein. MyProtein is a supplement and clothing company. They ship worldwide. And did I mention they always have deals? So when I bought these, I think there was a 45% off sale going on. I'm pretty sure there's another one going on right now, so I'll make sure to leave the discount code down in the description with all of the links. Make sure to use that because that makes a big difference. They revamped the logo and it looks so good. Isn't it just like so clean though? That was the old one. All right, let's talk about this stunning crimson outfit first. These little guys are the power mesh leggings, given the name because of the super cute mesh details all over them. Play. I'm doing a video. They also come in black, oxblood, which is a really weird color name, mauve, indigo, rose, and mulberry. I got a medium in these. MyProtein has sizes extra small through extra large, so an okay size range. And I do find that some of their stuff runs a bit small. I'm kind of in between a small and a medium, so I went with a medium in these, and they fit great. I do have all of my measurements down below for reference as well. These are regularly $44, but I got them for $28. And then 2 pockets on each side that are both made from mesh, and they are so cute. They have a high waist. They do have a seam at the top of the waistband, and the waistband is double lined with fabric, so it gives you lots of compression, lots of tummy control. These babies aren't going anywhere. They're made from a nylon elastane material that is pretty darn thick and slightly brushed. They are squat proof. What are you doing? And you can see sweat a little bit, but they hold up pretty well through most of the workout. And then this top, isn't that so cute? It's a little crop top, has a knot in the front. I got an extra small for some reason. I don't know why. I meant to get a small. It actually fits though, so that's good. This is called the Power Short Sleeve Crop. It's in crimson obviously, but it also comes in black and dark indigo. Regularly $34, but I got it for $22. It's made from, I'm pretty sure, the exact same nylon elastane material that those leggings that I just showed you are made from. So it's very thick for a top. Not particularly breathable. I would say it's definitely more of like a cute athleisure piece rather than something you'd actually want to work out in. A very high quality little item though. The next thing that I got from MyProtein is the Inspire Seamless Long Sleeve Crop. I got it in the hot coral color. It also comes in blue, rose, teal, and black. I kind of want to go back and get it in every single color because I'm obsessed with this top. Normally $30, but I got it for $22. It's very fitted, and it's made from a pretty darn breathable nylon polyester fabric. It has this soft and stretchy bust band that runs along the bottom, and then it has the MyProtein embossed into it very lightly. My favorite thing about it is this little sweetheart detail on the front that is so cute and flattering. I got a size small in this one. Next, we have a sports bra. It's the Powercroft sports bra. This is such a good little medium support sports bra. It comes in black and white. Normally $28, but I got it for $18, which is a steal. It's just one of those really good staples to have if you need a new black or white sports bra. I got a size small. I could have done a medium in this one, but I actually kind of like how compressing the small is. Makes it more supportive. Has removable cut pads. There's no logo on it except the little one on the back. And the cross on the back is so cute. The straps are actually entirely made up of mesh. Last but not least, the Shape Seamless Crop Top. The new and improved Seamless Crop Top. Once upon a time, where'd it go? I bought every single color of their seamless long sleeve tops. When I got this, it just felt different. So I checked. They took out the polyester, made them almost all nylon. That probably means nothing to you. But basically they are thinner, more breathable than ever, a lot more lightweight. The polyester is great for leggings, but in a long sleeve seamless top, it's not super breathable. So that was a phenomenal change. This is literally the most lightweight long sleeve seamless crop top that I own. I got white, but it also comes in seafoam, copper, rose mauve, and black. Once again, I really want to go back and buy every single color because I'm so impressed by the new fabric. This is originally $36, but I scored it for $24. Also in a size small. Okay, now we're gonna move into some fun stuff that I found from Target. And if you don't have a Target, because I don't you worry, you can buy all this stuff online. Target's main brands are C9 and JoyLab. I have some stuff from both of them. We're gonna start with these C9 everyday biker shorts. Love them or hate them, the biker shorts trend is taking over. And if you've been wanting to try them, but you're not sure how long this trend is actually gonna last, or if you're even gonna like them, highly recommend shopping for them at somewhere like Target or Old Navy, because you're gonna get pretty decent quality, but these are only $18. I got the Heather ones. They also come in black. I got a small. Honestly, I would have liked a medium because I felt like the seam at the bottom was kind of pinching my thighs a little bit. I don't know though, the small fit my waist really well. So these come in sizes extra small through 2XL, which is pretty decent. These come in sizes extra small through 2XL, and then they also have a plus size section, so they have the size range on lock. They're 88% polyester, 12% spandex, so they have a little bit more of like a cottony feel to them, but I did not feel like they showed sweat at all. They have a 10-inch inseam, which I am here for. And they have a high-rise waistband that's double lined and does have a seam at the top, so it holds everything in. Moving on to JoyLab. How stinking cute is this little scallop set? Start with the leggings. These are the premium high-waisted scallop leggings. This is the plum color, but they also come in black and navy. These leggings are $39.99. I got a size small and they fit perfect. They have this lovely high waistband with the cute scallop detail on the front. There is a seam that runs along the back of the legging, and then it actually comes around underneath the scallops in the front. It's high rise. The inseam of these leggings is 25 inches. So when someone taller like me, it's a little bit cropped above the ankle, 7/8 length. And then of course, they have the super cute scallop detail on the ankle as well. They're 83% nylon, 17% spandex, and they are my favorite material feel, which honestly surprised me because usually nylon doesn't give you that slick, stretchy, compressing feel. Normally that would be like a polyamide elastane type fabric, but this kind of fabric, it's just so functional. Doesn't show sweat, moves perfectly with your body while still giving you the perfect amount of compression. And then the matching bra. This is the premium scallop V-neck sports bra. It was $22 and it also comes in the black and navy. I got a size small in this and it fits really well as well. The one thing I don't like about this sports bra is this weird ruching right here. It makes it look like I'm a little nipple to the wind. I don't love that. Also, there's a place for removable cup pads, but mine didn't come with them. I don't know if that was just like a mess up or what. But other than that little detail, I couldn't not get this because it's just too cute together as a set. It's definitely light support. It kind of cuts down pretty low. Oh my gosh, these next leggings. HalioLA just came out with the Dreamy Leggings 2.0. And they blew my socks off. They come in powder, navy, and black. These are $28. I got a small. They come in sizes extra small to extra large. I find that across the brand, everything fits very true to size. The difference between the old Dreamy leggings and these ones is these ones are thinner, more flexible, but they're also more squat proof at the same time. They also did away with a tag on the inside of the leggings, and they just have the sizing info and the care info printed on the inside. And then they also raised the seam in the back, which I liked. The only problem that I have with these is I have a little bit of trouble with the front seam. Other than that, I am genuinely so impressed by this fabric, and I think it is the best that they have created yet. Next, we have another little brand that I discovered through Instagram. It's called Hustletics. I think it's how you say it. The reason that I felt the need to talk about this one is because I have been searching high and low to find you guys the perfect pair of yellow leggings that are affordable and still high quality. I have done it. These are the flow leggings. They're $39, but a couple of them are actually on sale right now for $29, and they did give me a discount code for you guys. If you use code HOPE at checkout, that saves you even more money. These flow sets come in black, Tiffany, lilac, and bumblebee, which is of course my favorite. I got a size small. They come in sizes extra small through large, which isn't phenomenal. Could use some work. And it's my favorite kind of waistband because there's a seam that goes along the back of it so it keeps your leggings from sliding down, but then the front of it is seamless. So there's nothing that digs in to your tummy. And it is double lined, so it gives you that compression and nice hugged in feel. Once again, some little issues with that front seam, not too bad though. These are an 82% nylon, 18% spandex. They are very, very stretchy, but they also have a little bit of a soft plushy feel to them, gently brushed. I would give them a 9 out of 10 on the squat proof scale. I'm pretty impressed, especially with how light of a color this one is. They also, of course, come with the matching flow bras. These are $29. They also come in black, Tiffany, lilac, and the bumblebee. I got a size small. These only come in small and medium. I'm a little confused about that. They're medium support and they have just a nice clean racer back on the back. They're made from the exact same material as the leggings, so they're that perfect combination of soft and stretchy and compressing. The last brand that I want to talk about once again is one that I haven't talked about in quite a while, but they have come out with some super cute stuff. Queenieke. You can find all this stuff on Amazon. So cute and so affordable, especially their sports bras. This has always been one of my go-to places for super cute, trendy, affordable sports bras that are actually pretty good quality. This first one is the Light Support Double T-Back. I got the black one, but it comes in tons of colors. That's one of the things I love about this brand is almost every piece comes in like 20 colors. It's only $19. I got a small. Everything pretty much fits true to size in this brand, and they have sizes extra small through double XL available. I love how these double straps look, and then they meet in a thin T-back in the back. They have removable cut pads, the elastic bust band. This one I would say is a light to medium support. Okay, are you ready for one of the cutest sports bras you've ever seen in your entire life? Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with this. I got so excited when I pulled this out of the packaging. Oh, it's giving me Princess Jasmine vibes. This is the Vista Blue, which I feel like is more purple than blue. It also comes in black. Also $19. I got a size small, and I feel like it fits perfect. Also a little light to medium support. I just love these little straps in the front, and then the little circle actually has a metal ring in it, so it helps it to hold its shape. The last thing I want to talk about from Queenieke is this adorable little space gray set that I got. This sports bra is just called the Free to Be, and it is one of the comfiest sports bras. It's definitely more light support. Also has the removable cut pads, and then the cute little crissy-crossy details in the back. Comes in literally 20 colors. This one is the space gray. They also have something called the Energy Bra, which is my OG Queenieke bra that I reviewed forever ago. Still an awesome one. The fabric's just a little bit more thick and compressive on that one. To match this sports bra, I also have the 22-inch Yoga Capri. I don't like capri leggings at all. I would say these are more like a 3/4 legging. They hit just at the bottom of the calf on me. These are only $18.99. They're high-waisted. They come in 18 colors. These are the space dye. I got these in a size small and I love how they fit. These ones do have like an elastic at the top of the waistband, but the best thing about these is the fabric. They're so soft, they almost feel like microfiber. With this particular space dye color, the fabric's actually a bit thinner than all of the other colors for whatever reason, but they are still like a 8.5 out of 10 squat proof. I mean, you literally can't beat these for $18 though. Okay, that's all I have for you today. I just felt like it had been a while since I did a little affordable haul for you, so hopefully you enjoyed that and it gave you some good, fun, fresh new options. If you do like these cheap and trendy videos, make sure to give this one a thumbs up, and Leo and I will see you guys in the next video. Say bye, YouTube. Oh, before you go, as I mentioned, this video today is sponsored by Squarespace, an awesome platform if you've been looking to start a website or get a website domain. It's such a user-friendly platform. You can easily sort, organize, and manage your different products with the drag and drop sorting tool, tags and categories, and the visibility and scheduling details. Another cool feature is you can sync your products with Facebook's product catalog to tag products in your Instagram posts and sell more. Squarespace can link with all of your social media profiles, letting you auto-post your content to Twitter, Facebook, or Tumblr. Head to Squarespace for a free trial, and when you're ready to set up your website, go to squarespace.com/hope to save 10% off of your first purchase. That link's gonna be right down below at the top of the description.